Hello everybody, and thank you for tuning in to JQT Vancouver's Jewish Queer Trans Heritage Month. My name is Carmel Tanaka and I help run JQT Vancouver. Pronounced JQT, we are a secular, culturally Jewish group dedicated to creating connections and seeking space to celebrate our intersectional identities as Jews of all ages, of diverse sexual orientations, as well as gender and sex identities. And we do this by queering Jewish space and Jewifying queer space in Vancouver, BC, Canada. Originally scheduled to livestream on May 31st, 2020, JQT decided to postpone our finale showcase for Jewish Queer Trans Heritage Month and felt it would have been remiss of us to go ahead as scheduled, and instead opted to allow the space to center the actions that took place that evening in support of Black and Indigenous lives. As queer trans Jews with a long history of oppression, the violence against Black and Indigenous people, as well as our Asian siblings around the globe, has been on our hearts, minds, and bodies. Our histories are linked, and our solidarity continues. This by no means should stop us from celebrating our Jewish queer trans identities, and there's still much work to be done there too. And so we have opted to put this video together for our JQT community to enjoy. Our first showcase was on the theme of remembering, and our second was on becoming, and our finale showcase is on the theme of celebrating. With gratitude, we hold our performances on the ancestral and unceded territory of the Musqueam, Squamish, Tsleil-Waututh, as well as the Okanagan peoples. Many thanks to our sponsors. This Neighborhood Small Grant project was funded by the Vancouver Foundation and administered by the Kitsilano Neighborhood House. To find out more, please visit www.neighborhoodsmallgrants.ca. If you have been following our past two showcases, you will remember the free candlelight blessings in masculine, feminine, and non-binary Hebrew. So for those who know Hebrew, instead of Ner Shel Shabbat, candles for the Sabbath, which is the traditional blessing on a Friday night, we will conclude this showcase with Ner Shel Chagiga, candles for celebrating. The blessings will grace the screen shortly in Hebrew and English with a transliteration for all to follow. Special shout out to nonbinaryhebrew.com. Before I light the candles though, a quick word about accessibility. Over the past three showcases, you may have noticed we have leveled up in our technological skills, and we're very pleased with the second showcase's live stream. We have already mushed together all of the live streams from the first showcase, and we plan to post all three videos on JQT's YouTube channel and properly caption them for all to enjoy forever and always. As with previous showcases, our finale may contain some swearing and mature subject material, so if you are a parent or guardian watching with minors, please use your discretion and be sure to stick around for the candle lighting. Baruch atah Adonai Eloheinu melech haolam asher kidshanu b'mitzvotav v'tzivenu le'adlik ner shel chagiga. You are blessed, O God, King of the universe, who makes us holy with his commandments and commands us to light candles for celebrating. Brucha atya Eloteinu ruach haolam asher kidshatnu b'mitzvoteha v'tzivatnu le'adlik ner shel chagiga. You are blessed, Yah, Spirit of the world, who makes us holy with her commandments and commands us to light candles for celebrating. Bruche ate Yah ein hachaim asher kidshenu b'mitzvotehe v'tzivenu le'adlik ner shel chagiga. You are blessed, O Spring of Life, who makes us holy with their commandments to light candles for celebrating. Amen. And also, Mazel tov to all the JQTs. We have just finished Jewish Heritage Month last month, the month of May, and now we're into Pride Month, the month of June. So it's definitely a time for celebration of who we are, very proud Jewish, queer, trans Jews. And we are going to celebrate tonight, let me tell you. So to conclude, Queer Trans Heritage Month finale showcase, we have the one and only Rogue. Rogue is Vancouver's premier Jewish drag artist and a self-proclaimed Instagram sensation. They've been performing all over the city for the past 2 years and won Entertainer of the Year in 2019. From Carly Rae Jepsen to Eminem, when Rogue gets on a stage, you never know what you're going to get, but you won't be able to keep your eyes off them. And let me tell you, you're not going to be able to take your eyes off of this sizzling, hot drag performance to Selena Gomez's Boyfriend. Here's Rogue.
I want a boyfriend, but I just keep hitting dead ends. Try to take a shortcut, but I get cut again and again. I want a boyfriend, tell me are there any good ones left? I keep finding wrong ones, but I want love again and again. I want a boyfriend, I've been up all night, pretty restlessly. Think I might know why. I've been doing just fine, but baby that don't mean that I'm feeling into you and me. There's a difference between a want and a need. Some nights I just want more than me. I know that there's a fine line between. It's not what I need, but yeah. I want a boyfriend, but I just keep hitting dead ends. Try to take a shortcut, but I get cut again and again. I want a boyfriend, tell me are there any good ones left? I keep finding wrong ones, but I want love again and again. I want a boyfriend, I want a boyfriend. I could phone a friend, use a hotline or something, but that won't get the job done. Cause every time I try, every time they lie, I get a little into you and me. There's a difference between a want and a need. Some nights I just want more than me. I know that there's a fine line between. It's not what I need, but ooh, I want a boyfriend, but I just keep hitting dead ends. Try to take a shortcut, but I get cut again and again. I want a boyfriend, tell me are there any good ones left? I keep finding wrong ones, but I want love again and again. I want a boyfriend, I want a boyfriend. Just wanna, I want a boyfriend.
Oh my god, that was super hot. I honestly don't think it was long enough, so we're really, really lucky that you have prepared another video for us. And it's a real treat. This time it is Troye Sivan's My, My, My.
Shine on, diamond, don't make me wait another day. 'Cause passion is passion, you know it just as well as me. Now let's stop running from love, running from love. Let's stop, my baby. Let's stop running from us, running from us. Let's stop, my baby. Oh my, my, my. I die every night with you. Oh my, my, my. got my tongue between your teeth. Go slow, no, go fast. You like it just as much as me. Now let's stop running from love, running from love. Let's stop, my baby. Let's stop running from us, running from us. Let's stop, my baby. Oh my, my, my. I die every night with you. Oh my, my, my. Living for your every move. Oh my, my, my. I die every night with you. Now. Oh my, my, my. Living for your every move. Your every move. Oh my, my, my. My, my, my. Should be the last night should be the last night we're apart. Got my name on this dress, on this treasure. Oh my, my, my. Oh my, my, my. I die every night with you. I die, yeah, yeah. Oh my, my, my. Oh my, my. Living for your every move. Living for, yeah. Oh my, my, my. I die every night with you.
Hey everybody, I'm just noticing that there might be some delays, so we're gonna be sure to post Rogue's videos on our page for you all to enjoy, obviously for a long time to come. But yeah, that's incredible, Rogue. You're such a star. Thank you so much for joining us. And also just shout out to Troye Sivan, a fellow member of the tribe, MOT, as well as a JCutie. This is really wonderful. You know, when JCutie embarked on creating this series for Jewish Heritage Month, we knew we wanted to queer it, and we also knew that we wanted to connect our community together during a global pandemic. And we were very excited that so many people answered our call for artists. And honestly, we're so lucky to have such incredibly talented, creative, beautiful, stunning Jewish queer trans artists, you know, not just local, but also around the globe, which was pretty fantastic. So from Kay Kassir to LJ Weisberg to Angelica Poversky to Kinneret Ely, who I had the chance to accompany, which was a real honor, to Rogue, who just performed, and of course Traffic, who you will see in the after party soon in a little bit. And you can learn more about our artists on our Facebook page in the event description. Yeah, this space, whether it's virtual or physical, is really, really important to the JCutie community. And we're actually celebrating 2 years. It's crazy how time flies. It's really exciting that even though we are still a grassroots organization, just a group of volunteers, we are getting ready to incorporate into becoming a nonprofit. Yay! So it's very exciting times here at JCutie headquarters. We've prepared actually a little special video highlighting our favorite and proudest moments over the past 2 years, and it's pretty amazing how far we've come and how far we've grown, and we hope you enjoy. are so many great memories there, and we've had just such a great time queering Jewish space and Jewifying queer space and navigating all that comes with that work. We are looking forward to continuing to do so. It's very much needed in both the Jewish and queer community. And we hope to dive into cross-cultural queer work with other minority queer groups. So it's very exciting and there's a lot to do. And if you like what JCutie is offering and you are in a position to help us out, you can make a donation, an e-transfer to jqtvan@gmail.com. To keep things charming and special for a limited time edition, Traffic has prepared a few musings to serve as an after party, which will air in a separate live stream after this finale showcase ends and will only be kept on our Facebook page for 48 hours, at which point it will then disappear and be left only in the minds of who got to experience it. So be sure to stick around after this live stream to catch that. A little bit about our final artist, Traffic, a rapper and music producer from Vancouver. His recent album was released in October and was self-produced, a member of the Vancouver Jewish community, currently in Israel. Traffic enjoys coming together with others to support each other and share art. Many thanks to our Neighborhood Small grant supported by the Vancouver Foundation and Kit's House to make all of this possible. And thank you to all of you for your support and for tuning in. This concludes JCutie's Jewish Queer Trans Heritage Month's showcases. Mazel Tov, Chag Pride Sameach, everyone, and happy Pride Month. Thank you and good night.